Welcome to a journey deep into the heart of Texas, where mystery meets the horizon. Today, we uncover one of the most baffling enigmas of modern times, the Marfa Lights. These unexplained orbs of light have left scientists, skeptics, and dreamers scratching their heads for over a century. Let's unravel this phenomenon together. Our story begins in the vast, open plains near the small town of Marfa. It's a quiet place, surrounded by desert and mountains, where the nights are crisp, and the stars seem to touch the earth. But among these stars, strange lights appear. Locals have spoken of the Marfa Lights since the late 1800s. The first recorded sighting was by a rancher named Robert Ellison in 1883. While traveling through the Chinati Mountains, he noticed glowing orbs dancing in the distance. He assumed they were campfires from Apache tribes. But when he approached, there was nothing, just an empty expanse of desert. What are these lights? They're described as hovering spheres, flickering in shades of white, red, and yellow. Sometimes they dart across the sky, other times, they vanish and reappear miles away. They're unpredictable, silent, and undeniably mesmerizing. Witnesses often report feeling both awe and unease, as though they're seeing something not meant for human eyes. The theories surrounding the Marfa Lights are as varied as they are intriguing. Some claim these lights are nothing more than car headlights reflecting in the desert air. This explanation gained traction with the construction of Highway 67, which runs through the area. The theory suggests that light from vehicles, combined with atmospheric conditions, creates the illusion of floating orbs. But this explanation has a glaring flaw. Reports of the lights date back to a time when cars didn't exist. How do we explain sightings from the 19th century? Another theory involves natural phenomena like swamp gas or ball lightning. Swamp gas, caused by decaying organic matter, is known to emit a faint glow under specific conditions. However, the arid desert environment of Marfa lacks the conditions needed for swamp gas to form. Ball lightning, a rare and poorly understood phenomenon, might account for some sightings. But its sporadic nature doesn't align with the consistent reports of the Marfa Lights. Then there's the folklore. The Marfa Lights are said to be the spirits of Apache warriors, forever guarding their land. According to legend, the lights are the manifestation of their presence, protecting their sacred grounds. Other tales whisper of extraterrestrial activity. Could Marfa's remote location make it a perfect meeting ground for alien visitors? The idea may sound far-fetched, but it's one that continues to captivate the imagination. In 2004, a group of scientists from the University of Texas set out to demystify the Marfa Lights. Armed with cameras, spectrometers, and night vision equipment, they spent several nights observing the phenomenon. Their findings suggested that most sightings could be attributed to distant vehicle headlights or other explainable light sources. Yet, even their rigorous study couldn't account for every sighting. The mystery, it seems, refuses to be fully solved. The phenomenon of the Marfa Lights has also sparked interest in the scientific community worldwide. Several universities and independent researchers have conducted investigations, using everything from drone technology to spectroscopic analysis. These studies have revealed some fascinating, albeit inconclusive, insights. For example, some researchers suggest that the lights could be caused by a unique combination of tectonic activity and piezoelectric effects, a phenomenon where stress on rocks generates electrical charges that emit light. This theory, while compelling, remains unproven. And here's where it gets even stranger. The lights don't appear every night. Some visitors wait for days or weeks, hoping for a glimpse. But when they do show up, they're almost otherworldly. The unpredictability adds to their allure, drawing people from all corners of the globe. Whether they're amateur investigators, professional scientists, or simply curious travelers, all share the same hope, to witness the inexplicable. For many, seeing the Marfa Lights is a deeply personal experience. Some describe feelings of awe and connection, as though they've been touched by something greater than themselves. Others feel unsettled, even fearful, as if they're trespassing on forbidden ground. Whatever the reaction, the lights leave an indelible mark on those who witness them. Adding to the mystery are the accounts of people who claim to have seen patterns or shapes within the lights. These witnesses often describe formations that resemble symbols or even figures, further fueling speculation about their origin. Could these lights be attempting to communicate? If so, with whom? And why? The Marfa Lights have also inspired a cultural legacy in the region. The annual Marfa Lights Festival celebrates this enigmatic phenomenon with music, art, and community gatherings. People from all walks of life come together to share their experiences and theories, transforming the small town into a hub for mystery enthusiasts. The lights have even made their way into literature, film, and music, cementing their place in popular culture. Skeptics argue that the allure of the Marfa Lights is more psychological than physical. They point to the power of suggestion, where visitors primed to see something unusual are more likely to interpret ordinary occurrences as extraordinary. This theory, while plausible, doesn't fully explain the consistency and longevity of the reports. For those who prefer a more spiritual perspective, the lights are a reminder of the mysteries that exist beyond human comprehension. They're a symbol of the unknown, a beacon that challenges our understanding of the natural world. Whether you see them as a scientific puzzle or a supernatural wonder, the Marfa Lights invite us to question, to explore, and to dream. If you've ever seen the Marfa Lights, you're part of a story that spans generations. A story of wonder, mystery, and the human desire to understand the unknown. And if you haven't seen them yet, perhaps one day, you will. So, what do you think? Are the Marfa Lights a natural phenomenon? A trick of the mind? Or a glimpse into something far beyond our understanding? Let us know your theories in the comments below. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow mystery lovers, and subscribe to our channel for more stories that explore the unexplained. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep your eyes on the horizon and your mind open to the mysteries of the world.